My name is Vika and welcome to my YouTube channel about fashion and vintage. In today's video, I want to create the outfit together with you, and this is gonna be with the blouse, vintage blouse that I found in vintage store here in Tallinn, Estonia. This is pretty popular vintage store, Humana Vintage, and here's the blouse that I bought there. You can see this is pretty classic vintage blouse, you know, these fluffy shoulders and the structure. I'm gonna tell you more about the pattern. I think it calls Indian cucumber pattern or something like that. It's pretty classic, but here's some reasons why I've decided to buy this blouse. Of course, this is not about the pattern. There's really beautiful pearl buttons, you can see it. I think this is amazing, like so romantic, so girlish. I really like the sharp color here. I think a lot of people actually really tired of this pattern. I want to show you today how fashionable, how nice, how beautiful and how trendy you can style up this blouse with this pattern. Of course, if it was just blouse with this pattern, I wouldn't buy it. I really like the details, this fluffy shoulders, these buttons, this color, but in the end, I believe that I can create a really beautiful outfit today. So I'm gonna show it to you, and let's start with the blouse. I'm gonna show you how it fits. For now, it's not looking really stylish, but with these details, you can create something really beautiful. I want to start with some tights. It's gonna be black tights. I want to play a little bit with this purple color. I really like this color, and I'm gonna use it in my outfit, but I want to play a little bit, and I want to add like the similar color but a little bit different. It's gonna be red. I'm gonna add this beautiful red woolen vintage skirt that I also bought in this same store but some time ago. It's really classic silhouette. I really like that because it's so romantic, I would say. And I use that skirt for a lot of outfits, and it makes a lot of outfits really interesting. So you can see how it looks. This is already more interesting than it was before. Also, I have this beautiful gold button here. And I really like how this gold button is gonna, you know, combines with these pearl buttons. It's nice. And I really like how red live in this outfit together with this purple fuchsia color. So now I want to add some detail in this purple color. I really love wearing socks with skirts, but the problem is that the weather isn't always good enough for wearing socks with skirt without tights. So I really use tights a lot of my outfits together with socks, so I would say don't be scared about that. It's fine, especially if you live in not really good weather conditions. So the socks that I'm going to use is going to be this burgundy color, wine color. So yes, my socks with tights, and I'm not afraid of that. Yeah, you can see it's already becoming interesting. Now I'm gonna use the shoes. This is my favorite loafers from Coach. I really love them. Yeah, and they're gonna be perfect here because it's also like classic style, and it's really nice with socks. Yeah, you can see that. And for now, I'm gonna use some accessories to make this outfit look completed. Yeah, so I have this hat. I really like that. It's so romantic, I would say. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you closer. You really love that. And now I'm gonna add some accessories. I have two options of earrings. I have this black one with gold, which is good here, I think. And also I have this pearl. Yes, this pearl is gonna be interesting with the buttons of the skirt and the blouse, and the black is like really classic, and the gold is also combined with the gold bottom. So I'm gonna see the both. Yeah, you can see like how it looks. Here are two options, but I think the black is better. So I'm gonna go with black. But it doesn't mean that I forgot about pearls. I have this pearl necklace, and I think it's gonna be perfect here with this blouse. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah. And I'm gonna use that with the blouse. I think it's gonna be really beautiful. Yeah, you can see it. I think it's nice and really beautiful. I'm gonna add some rings. I have these two options. Yeah, and I'm gonna put one on the right and another one to the left. Yes, and one more thing. I have this amazing watches. Yeah, I also bought it in a vintage store and it cost me like 12 euros. So there's like 3 different possibilities of wearing these watches. I mean, there's like different color and accessories. So yeah, I'm gonna use the black one right now. Yeah, you can see that. This is just amazing. And now I need the back, and I think I'm gonna use the green one. I have this amazing, really nice bag. I really love that. This is like the small shop in Russia. And the whole outfit right now, you can see that I didn't use like really a lot of colors. All of them are in this blouse. You can see the burgundy color, the red color, which is like coming out from the burgundy color, the green white is here, and the black one is here. All the colors are in this blouse. So I really put this as a fundament, and then I was building up the whole outfit here. And I really like what I have here. I think it's nice and a lot of details and really beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, but it's not the end. So you can see that this outfit is really romantic, you know, and it's really feminine, and I do love that. But I want to show you another way of styling this blouse in masculine way. So for now, the first thing that we're going to do is to change the skirt. And I'm gonna use right now the shirts. Yeah, you can see that. This is also woolen, and this is brown color. It's like the different styling, you know, it's really masculine. Yeah, you already can see that there's different vibe already. Although I didn't use almost nothing, only the skirt I changed for shirts, and it's totally different vibe. But I want to add one more thing to finish the outfit in this masculine way, and it's gonna be this jacket. Yeah, you can see I added jacket and this totally different outfit. I still have this bag, and I have the same accessories, I have the same tights, I have the same socks, the same shoes, the same blouse, the same accessories, the same hat. But like I changed the skirt for this masculine shirt, and I added this men's shoulder jacket, and it's totally different. But as you can see, I'm still working with the same colors that I've already had in this blouse. This is brown, this is black, this is burgundy. This is really totally two different ways to style up this blouse, but both of them I believe are really stylish and trendy, and it's not old-fashioned at all. But in the beginning of this video we actually thought that this blouse can be stylish because it's really old-fashioned pattern, but no, you can see that I can work with that, and with all these details this outfit is really nice. I believe the both of them, I love them. Nice. Really masculine, they're really brutal. Yeah, but really classic. And some romantic, of course, too. Well, tell me what you think and which outfit you like more. It's really interesting to know. Please let me know in comments, and please like, share this video, subscribe to my channel. I really hope to grow up and create more videos for you, because I believe that I have something interesting to say. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.